Hey guys, this is Jeremy Brooks with Southern Lifestyle Properties. Check out this 119 acre tract of land we just listed in Gibson County, Tennessee. The listing price is in the description along with more details. When you see the aerial map like this one, pay attention to the flashing light because that is where I was standing when I shot the video that follows. It's about 54 acres of this 119 acre tract is tillable, and it's some of the finest farmland in Gibson County, Tennessee. This property backs up to the North Fork Forkerdere River and is approximately 64 acres of prime hunting land. The tillable land is income producing and is currently planted in wheat. The seller has a handshake agreement with the farmer to use the land, and I'm sure he would like to keep the agreement with the new owner if possible. My first thought when I found this old car in the woods, is that a moonshiner car? Nah. Hey, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions about this fine piece of property, be sure and reach out and give me a call. Thank you and have a great day.